Today was a bit of a journey for us all, not just because we transited around Dublin Bay and saw the incredible sights, but it's also to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Dublin Bay Biosphere. We had so many stakeholders, so we had community groups, universities, we had 40 councillors on board, and of course we had all our community organisations and NGOs that we work with on a day-to-day basis across the Bay.
So to me, the Dublin Bay Biosphere Reserve is really a living lab. It's a place that we can look at sustainability, we can research some nature-based solutions, we also are looking at climate resilience and climate adaptations, but we also look into the human impacts and how nature can play a role in that as well. Today was a wonderful event. I think we had a lot of different stakeholders from different groups, so it was a great way to interact with everyone and come together for a lovely 10th anniversary.
There's a lot of projects which we're involved in that we're doing our part of, but which is in fact a Dublin Bay-wide project. The legal protections that come with the biosphere and the EU habitats directives and so on, it's really transformed our work. You can just get on with protecting and enjoying the facility that is the old area.
It's very important to Dublin Port because we are one of the largest industrial estates in Ireland and have a biosphere surrounding us. It helps with all the environmental projects that we have already had ongoing. So we are very lucky to have these experts on board with us, and that ties in perfectly with what the biosphere is all about.
The Dublin Bay Biosphere, in the context of my work, is a safe haven. It's a safe haven for all the different birds and marine mammals that use it. My project focuses on terns, which nest here and will go down to Antarctica and come back to the same place every year. Just shows how special and important it is for those species.
People think about James Joyce as being a writer of human stories, of urban stories, but actually the urban environment and the people in his stories are very much subsist within the biosphere. So for example, description on Sandymount Strand, you have the sea wrack and the sea spawn. It's very important that we both celebrate the biosphere, but also that we protect the biosphere. The Dublin Bay Biosphere was designated by UNESCO in 2015. It was designated in recognition of its incredible array of biodiversity. The biosphere is a living lab for sustainable development, and it's really crucial to us that we're engaging with businesses, community groups, and we're taking all these interests into account in order to create the best biosphere that we can.